Yes, today we are making chocolatey gooey macaroons. And no, these are not the same as the French macaron, which are those fancy French pastries, which I also plan on doing a video on. But without further ado, let's put those store-bought macaroons to shame. So in a mixing bowl, add your sweetened shredded coconut along with some sweetened condensed milk. Add a pinch of salt along with some vanilla. Mix this really well until it's all combined. Now we're going to make a soft peak meringue. In a separate bowl, add 1 whole egg white. I like to just use my hands here while I open my fingers slightly to let the egg whites run through. Now we're going to whisk this, preferably with an electric mixer, and simply mix until light and fluffy until you see soft peaks. Take half of the meringue and incorporate it into your coconut mixture. Take the other half, which is for the creation of volume in our macaroons, and gently fold once more. Place uniform rounds onto a baking sheet lined with Silmat or parchment paper and place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Now for the chocolate, which is totally optional, make a bain-marie and add your chocolate. Mix until partially melted, then throw in a knob of butter and mix until silky smooth and shiny. By that time, our macaroons will be coming out of the oven. Now all you have to do is just swirl those macaroon bases into the chocolate and leave upside down to set. And here's our gooey, delicious homemade macaroons that are chewy and packed with coconut flavor. Speaking of coconuts, if you haven't watched my video on how to break one down, then check this video out right here. And as always, thanks for watching.